So let's start by checking to make sure that our weapon is clear. We're going to lock the bolt back, nothing in there. So now we're going to go ahead and break the upper and lower apart by pulling our pins. We'll pull the charging handle and the bolt carrier group out. You're not going to need those anymore. Here's your training weapon. You're welcome to remove your buffer and your buffer spring. That is a captive buffer from JP Systems, in case you're wondering why that looks strange. We'll move the fire control group that we already have to fire, and then pull the trigger to let the hammer go forward. We're now going to go ahead and remove our hammer retaining pin. So you don't need a punch or any fancy tools. I just happen to have a punch laying around. And you drive your pin for the hammer through. We also need to remove our sear. So we're going to go ahead, get our punch. Bring the pin for the sear halfway through. Remove the sear. Then get needle nose pliers, and we're going to pull our spring in the back here. It goes underneath the sear. Your retaining block, well, your little block that comes to go in the back of the trigger here, we have that like an L, so it goes underneath the safety. Then we'll go ahead and get the needle nose pliers and put the spring back in. Then by the sear. That in. We're going to go ahead and put this pin back in. We'll now get our fire control group, put that in, get our pin that we had on the hammer, run this through. Oops, we will not do that yet. We'll then get our trigger rod, put that in the hole here. That's going to mate the part that we just put in the back. Put our pin in here. It's gone through the hammer before. And there we're done with the lower. In order to make sure everything's set correctly, when you have your magazine and put that in, you should see it come up here. And this first switch here on your magazine closes, and this closes. So when your magazine goes in, you should have both these switches go in, and then pressing your bolt release, you should hear this switch coming out. And your magazine switch should also make a click. If not, these are made of metal where you can easily bend those with a little bit of light force to make sure that all of your contacts are correct for the fit of your weapon. We'll go ahead and take the part that your Vive tracker mounts to now. Going to place this up top, and your distance may vary here depending on where you actually want to have the weapon appear in virtual reality. So we'll just set this on here loose now, and we'll tighten this screwdriver a little bit later. Going to run this wire through our ejection port. Close our weapon up. Attach both our cables. And we are ready to go in virtual reality now.